Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Motorola Edge 60 stylus. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, wrong pin, try again. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up, down and power button together. To restart the phone, press and hold it. And when the phone restart, release the volume up button and keep pressing the volume down and power button, and you can see it will send you in fast boot mode. Here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to recovery mode and confirm. So you can see no command. Here you can see no command. Here press the power and volume up key to go in Android recovery mode. Now you are in Android recovery mode. Here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. And you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Go to factory data reset and confirm. It is formatting, kindly wait. You can see it is currently formatting data. Guys, it might take some time, so kindly wait. And you can see here, you can see data wipe complete. Now simply reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to put up the device, and after hard reset again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Motorola Edge 60 stylus easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.